Good morning, student. So, student, everyone open page number 53. Page number 53, that is task 3. Previously we completed how much? Task 2. Today we see task 3. So, what is the task 3? So, task 3, one question is given. What is the question? Dhruvi is on a visit to a shop with rupees 1200 help her to know how much money is left with her after buying different things. Okay, so student, one girl is there, Dhruvi. She visited one shop and she's done that shopping. How much rupees? 1200. So now what we have to find out? Help her to know how much money is left with her after buying different things. She is having that much money, 1200 rupees, and she purchased some what things. So we have to see how much money she spent and how much money remaining with her. So some items she purchased. So we see. First one is a hat. So what is the price of hat? Rupees 125. Next one is pillow. Price of pillow is 200. Next one is a badminton set. What is the price of badminton set? Rupees 250. Next one is aeroplane. Toy. One toy is there. Price of that toy is 220. Next one, hairpin. Price of hairpin is rupees 25. Next one, bicycle. Rupees 800. Next one is umbrella. $80. Then socks. Barbie outfit. Rupees 550 and bag 180. Okay, so this much items he purchased. In that, hat price is 125, pillows 200, badminton set 250, then toy 220, hairpin 25. Then next one is bicycle. What is the price of bicycle? 800. Then umbrella 80 rupees, socks 70 rupees, Barbie set rupees 550 and bag rupees 180. Now see, one question is given there. Total cost for buying and amount left. So what is the first question? How much money is left with Dhruvi if she buy a bicycle and a bag? So firstly we have to find out cost of bicycle and bag. So what is the price of bicycle? 800. And price of bag is 180. So now we have to find out how much money is required for a bicycle and bag. So 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 8, 8. And 8 plus 1, 9. So how much money is required for these two things? 980 rupees. Now what we have to find out? Amount left. Means how much amount left with her. So how to find out this amount? From that 1200 you have to subtract. From total amount subtract this amount. So 1200 minus 980. Now subtract it. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, borrow is there. 10 is there and 1 will be there. So 10 plus 8, 2. 1 plus 9, 1 minus 9, no. We have to take borrow from this one. So 11 plus 9, 2. So how much it is? 220. Yes. So here we completed our first question. Now second question. So what is the second question? Dhruvi buys an aeroplane only. How much money left with her now? Now suppose second question what they ask? They ask if she buy only aeroplane. What she buy? Aeroplane means only this toy. So how much money left with her? So what you have to do? You have to subtract from total amount minus aeroplane price. So what is the total amount? 1200 minus price of aeroplane, that is 220. So how much money left with her? We will find out. 0 minus 0, 0. Next 0 minus 2, we have to take borrow. So here is a 1 and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 10 minus 2, 8 is there. And last one, 1 minus 2 we can do? No. So we have to take again borrow from this one. So here will be 11. So 11 minus 2, how much it is? 9 is there. So if she buy only aeroplane, so how much money left with her? Rupees 980. Yes. Okay, now after that we see third question. So for that question I will draw this one. So third question is, how much money left with her if she buy a pair of socks, a hairpin, a hat and a badminton set? So we will find out. Firstly is a pair of socks. Socks. So what is the price of socks? Price of socks is 70. Next one is a hairpin. So what is the price of hairpin? That is 25. Next one is a hat. Price of hat is 125. And next one is a badminton set. So price of badminton 250. So add it. Okay. So we have to find out price of these four things. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 is here, 1 will be carry. Next one. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Yes. And 16 plus 1, 17. 7 is there, 1 will be carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the total price? How much money is required for it? 470 rupees. Yes. Now see, what is the next question? See. Amount left. How much amount left with her? Amount left. So what you have to do? From where you have to subtract this one? From this. From 1200 you have to subtract this one. So 1200 minus 470. Okay. So subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. Here is a 10 and here will be 1. So 10 minus 7, 3 is there. Here is a 11 and here will be 0. So 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 is 6 is there. Yes. Sorry, 7 is there. Yes. So how much amount left with her? Rupees 730. Yes. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now today's your homework, student. So see what is your homework. Today's homework, whatever questions we solve here, okay, that question you have to complete in your textbook and notebook. So your maths homework. That is page number 53 in notebook, and classwork is page number 53 in textbook. So student, this is your maths homework and this one is your maths classwork. So complete your homework neat and cleanly. So here in notebook, whenever you are doing, if you can draw it, you can draw it. If you can't, then without drawing, only give name and write down this amount. And if you want to do drawing, then draw it and in front of it write down price and then solve question. So that's all for today. Thank you all of you.